Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of the new American Express Platinum Card, the 2025 version that's been making waves around the credit card world. If you've been wondering whether the Platinum is still worth it, or if the new upgrades justify that hefty annual fee, then stick with me. We'll cover everything from the features, the pricing, what's new on the card, and the pros and cons, and see if it might still be the best premium card in 2025. The American Express Platinum Card has always been seen as the gold standard of premium travel cards, or in this case, the Platinum standard. But in 2025, Amex didn't just refresh the design, but they also tweaked a few benefits. They redefined the Platinum experience. This year, the focus is all about the value that you can actually use. American Express realized that many cardholders weren't maximizing the perks, so they redesigned the entire experience to make it more accessible. The first big change is a new suite of travel and lifestyle credits. The Platinum Card now combines luxury travel perks with everyday benefits, things like hotel stays, dining credits, and even digital subscriptions. The goal here is to make the card feel rewarding every month, not just when you're traveling. They also introduced a more personalized Amex app experience, where Platinum members can easily track, they can easily activate and redeem their credits. This is a big improvement because in the past, users often complain about having too many scattered offers, but now everything is streamlined in one place. So let us talk about these changes in details. The reward structure. You earn 5 times points on flights that are booked directly with airlines or through American Express Travel. You earn 5 times points on prepaid hotels that are booked on amextravel.com, 1 times points on other purchases, and you can redeem points to pay for flights and hotels. You can use gift cards and also pay with points at checkout. There's also the airport lounge access, the global lounge collections. This remains the centerpiece of Platinum experience, where you get access to Amex Centurion lodges, Priority Pass lounges, Delta Sky clubs, and over 1,000 partner lounges worldwide. Even if you fly a few times a year, this can make your airport experience so much more comfortable, with free food, drinks, Wi-Fi, and a quiet space to work or relax. There's also enhanced hotel benefits. Through the Amex Travel Portal, Platinum members can now unlock upgraded hotel credits, early check-ins, late checkouts, complimentary room upgrades when available. The expanded dining and lifestyle credits is also included. It's one of the biggest upgrades for 2025. Cardholders can now get monthly dining credits with partners like Resi, digital entertainment credits, and even lifestyle perks like Lululemon or Equinox credits, depending on your region. Amex Platinum also continues to offer some of the most comprehensive travel insurance coverage, including trip cancellation and delay insurance, baggage protection, and car rental coverage. You also get the fee credit for global entry or TSA PreCheck, which is $120. And no matter where you're traveling, when you use your Platinum cards, there are no foreign transaction fees, so it's good for international use. And also the refreshed Amex app for Platinum members now integrates your benefits, your travel bookings, and credits in a single dashboard. Now, after discussing all of these amazing benefits, what is the annual fee like? You get $895 as an annual fee. That's one of the highest fees in the credit card industry, but it's also backed by an enormous lineup of benefits like we earlier mentioned. You get a welcome offer as high as 175,000 membership reward points after you spend $8,000 in purchases on your new credit card within the first 6 months of card membership. So with this and every other lineup of benefits, you can offset the annual fee to a reasonable degree. But what are the pros and cons of using the card? First, the pros. As seen, it has unmatched travel perks and lounge access. There's a huge stack of lifestyle and travel credits. There's flexible and valuable membership reward points and excellent customer service. How about the cons? It's very obvious that the $895 annual fee is steep. You really have to use the benefits to make it worthwhile. And the many credits are partner specific. So if you don't spend with some partners, then the credits will go unused. And if you travel occasionally or just prefer simple cashback rewards, then this card might be overkill. So, is the new American Express Platinum Card worth it in 2025? Well, at its core, it's a lifestyle card. It's designed for people who want comfort, convenience, and premium service, not necessarily the best raw cash value. And in that sense, the Amex Platinum stands out as one of the most well-rounded premium cards of 2025. Well, it's luxurious, but it's also finally usable. And that's what sets 2025 Refresh apart from the previous years. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Chase Sapphire Reserve, Capital One Venture X, and City Strata Premier. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.